Your Majesty, they're ready.
I'm coming. Do you hear that?
What?
Never mind. Enjoying Olaf?
I'm just living. How I wish this could last forever. And yet change mocks us with her beauty.
No.
Really?
No.
Really? Wow, I can't wait until I'm aged. I like more mugs.
No.
Okay, here we go. You got this, Elsa. Anytime. Just do it with your body. Nothing.
Polar bear!
Air.
Polar bear!
Tree.
Polar bear!
People.
Polar bear!
Triple.
Polar bear!
Hey.
Sorry.
Shovel boy.
Polar bear!
Hey!
Sorry.
Ugh.
We won. It's fine.
Something's wrong.
With you?
No. Bye.
There's this... I just... Air, fire, water, air.
I will pronounce the spirits of the enchanted forest.
Fire.
Aegis, no fire, no
Earth.
The Earth is next. We have to get
Earth.
Yes, everyone's out and sis.
Take one of these. You okay there, Olaf?
No!
Okay, I don't understand. You've been hearing and you didn't think? Just tell me what's going on.
Whoa.
Okay, that's definitely not what I thought you were gonna say. Wait, the one Father warned us about?
Yes. I know it sounds crazy, but I believe whoever is calling me is air.
How can you say that? Look at our kingdom.
I know. It's just that my magic can feel it. I can feel it.
No.
The trolls?
Kristoff! We missed you!
Oh, never a dull moment with you two.
What does all of this have to do with Arendelle?
Let me see what I can see, what I can see, what I can see, what I can see. The past is past. A right demands to be wrong. Arendelle is not safe. Arendelle is safe. The truth must be safe. Without it, I see no safe. When one can see no safe, all one can do is see what I can see, what I can see, what I can see, what I can see.
Kristoff, can I borrow your wagon? And Sven?
I'm not very comfortable with the idea of that.
You are not going alone.
Anna? No.